Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news China's population may now be shrinking. But first, the US federal budget deficit widened sharply in January as the latest pandemic relief package sent direct stimulus payments to millions of Americans. The monthly deficit widened to $165 billion in January, and for the first 4 months of the 2021 fiscal year, the federal deficit rose 90% to $738 billion. Last week, US retail sales sagged somewhat, with same-week year-on-year gains falling away. And the American December job opening data came in on the positive side, even if the gains were minor. And the USDA WASD report confirms that strong Chinese demand for grains, especially wheat and rice, is keeping prices high. American beef and dairy production is also rising, but prices there are expected to slip. And China's reporting a sharp drop in births, down from 14.6 million in 2019 to just 10.4 million in 2020. That means China is aging at a very fast pace indeed when you get a more than 30% fall in births in just 1 year. Given that 2019 deaths were 10 million, China's population growth likely stalled in 2020. Other official police data put the birth decline at 15%, still very major, however. And China is also reporting strong loan demand in January, with debt levels rising 12.7% year on year. And that comes after a very positive report on car sales there in January, up 30% year on year. Japanese machine tool orders rose 9.7% in January from a year ago, and the December data was revised higher. In Australia, business conditions pulled back in January from unusually high levels in December, but business sentiment rose to well above its long-run average. Especially notable was the return of boardrooms to invest in capital expenditure. The US Treasury 10-year yield is down another 1 basis point from yesterday at just under 1.15%, and the price of gold will start today unchanged at $1,837 an ounce. Oil prices are slightly higher today at just over $58 a barrel in the US, while the international price is now just under $61 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar will open today a little firmer at 72.3 US cents. But against the Australian dollar, we're a little softer at 93.6 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're also softer at 59.7 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index is little changed at 73.8. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.